Hi everyone, my name is Roland from OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division, and today I'm excited to show you a 3-bedroom condo unit located right here at River House. Be embraced by the generous space of the hall that plays a big part in the wow factor once you step in, and how the owner creates efficient space that keep the house clean and tidy with everything tucked away under this space. This functions as a sitting area of the dining area as well. As you move around the home, I love this feeling as sometimes the tiles have little groove, but with marble tiles, you have this very smooth, no groove type of a feel when you walk at home. And here behind me are 6 full panels of sliding doors into your balcony that allows ample light into your living hall in the day. This is remarkable. So as we take a closer look at the floor plan of the home, this somehow looks like a dumbbell type of a layout, as you have one bedroom that is on the left, and then you have another 2 on the right hand side. This is cleverly designed so you don't have much wasted space on the corridor. This is one of the common bedroom on the right as you enter the home, with laminate wood finishing with built-in wardrobe. In the other common bedroom, you will find carpentry work done in this room with more storage space beneath the bed. The owners have also built in the study table with bookshelf above. For the master bedroom, you will have a walk-in wardrobe that many would love to have. You can easily fit a king-size bed with a julep balcony that allows a crosswind ventilations. As I love cooking meals for my family, I truly love this glass enclosed kitchen that is compact and efficiently designed, equipped with every appliances that I need. Truly, I love the thoughtfulness of the developer to build a storeroom that can be easily converted into a helper's room and an additional 3rd toilet. This condo is located near Rivera LRT, an LRT station on the Punggol LRT line. In 2031, this station will be part of a future extension between Pasir Ris and Punggol Station on the Cross Island line. Coral Edge LRT with Punggol Plaza is also just a 5 minutes walk away for conveniences such as a rare wet market, NTUC, childcare, enrichment classes and more. For more options, you have the Waterway Point and Punggol MRT, only 4 bus stops away. We are also close to Punggol Promenade and Punggol East Container Park, where you can enjoy waterfront living with alfresco dining options and even prawn fishing. And for those with children, you will be pleased to know that Oasis Primary, Edgefield Primary, Meadhall Primary, Greendale Primary, Greendale Secondary, and Horizon Primary are within 1 kilometer, with GIIS International School down the road. The opening of the new link roads from Punggol Central allows you to connect easily to KPE and TPE for your daily commute. The Punggol Digital District will open progressively from 2023 and create 20,000 new jobs in the fields such as data analytics. With the major transformation in Punggol, it is truly a jewel in the northeast with long-term demand and strong growth potential. We hope you enjoy the house tour. The OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division, welcomes you to join us in this viewing experience. For more details, please contact me, Roland Alphonsus Tan of OrangeTee and Thai, AAG Division at 9661-8180.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.